Question: how to find the best gardens in the world? Answer: by using a good garden finder website. The Gardenvisit.com website, for example, has links from individual garden listings to maps and to information about garden design styles, art historical styles, biographies of garden designers, and to other gardens by these designers. There are also links to books in which these topics are covered, including, of course, Horace Walpole's essay on modern gardening, John Claudius Loudon's History of Garden Design, and Mary-Louise Gotthein's History of Garden Art. In a way, these are like guidebooks to birds and flowers. The more you know about the species, the more interesting the visits and sightings become. Please see the Gardenvisit.com listings page if you know of a garden open to the public, which should be on the website.